What's the meaning of body double? Body double. Body double.
Body double. Body double. A body double refers to a person who physically resembles another person and can be used to stand in for that person in certain situations. This is often done in the entertainment industry for scenes that require the actor's physical presence but not necessarily their facial features or close-ups. Body doubles are also sometimes used by public figures or celebrities for security or privacy reasons. The goal is to create the illusion that the original person is present while maintaining their anonymity or protecting them from potential harm. Overall, a body double serves as a substitute for someone else's physical presence.